So we're just gonna start pushing down, and then we're gonna remove a little bit more than half of this bottle. So once we have that going, now it's time for our drink. So after I remove that peanut butter, I'm just gonna go in with some honey. Okay. And then some whiskey. We'll fill each jar to incorporate that peanut butter flavor. The honey's gonna give it some sweetness. And now we'll go ahead and return the lids to tops. And I've already prepared one last night so it can get that good flavor. And we are going to go ahead and strain this right into our glass. Okay. And then we're gonna go ahead and add some cranberry juice. And then we're gonna top it off, give it a nice round flavor with triple sec or Cointreau. So we're gonna add our last little bit of Cointreau to our drink. And then we're going to move on. Well, here we have our bread. We're just gonna take a little bit of jam, go right in the middle. I'm gonna take our second piece of bread, go right over the top. And then we'll take our Jif top and push right down. Okay, so now we just cut our last bread out. Gonna remove that. Now we're just gonna take some skewers, go right in the bottom. Now we're ready. So here we have our sandwiches that we're just gonna batter up. Then we're just going to take that, shake off the excess, and then we're gonna go right into our hot oil. We'll go right in the hot oil as well. So we're gonna remove that. Wanna go ahead and let that drain for a second. And then we're gonna take this, dip it in our chocolate, and then we're gonna go right into our peanuts. Okay, so we're gonna dip our last beignet right into our chocolate. And then we're gonna come right over. Make sure you get that nice and coated with those peanuts. And then we're gonna go right onto our plate. I'll go ahead and take my peanut butter and just take a small amount, and we're gonna go right on the top of our beignet. Okay, so we'll just finish smoothing out our peanut butter, and then we're gonna go ahead and take some honey, and we're gonna just go ahead and make some nice lines. Okay, so we'll just take our last bit of honey, and then we're just gonna take a skewer, and you want to lightly drag your honey through your peanut butter, make a beautiful design. So we'll go ahead and put our last lines here. So here we have our PB&J drink and also our PB&J beignets. And there you have it, your PB&J cake and cocktail.